Hey everybody, Eric here from PAC. Today I'm excited to share with you the unboxing of one of our new Radio Pro integrated kits. This is the RPK4-CH4101. It works on 2013 to 2018 Ram trucks and 2019 Ram Classic. An integrated kit is a radio replacement solution for a vehicle where the radio and the climate controls have been integrated into one panel in the vehicle. When replacing a radio in a vehicle like this, you have to either relocate the factory climate controls or replicate the factory climate controls. Let's take a look at what's included with this kit, and I'll show you how we've done that. Absolutely everything is included with this kit. We're not using any of the factory climate controls at all. Our engineering teams have done a great job physically and mechanically engineering buttons and knobs that look and feel like the factory, and an amazing graphical user experience. This is going to go in the center of the Ram truck. It's going to replace all the HVAC controls here. Your aftermarket double DIN radio is going to go here. We do include hardware to mount a single DIN or double DIN. We include our 5.2-inch LCD touchscreen control. This allows the driver or passenger to access cameras and directly access the cameras and then view them on the aftermarket radio. They can also see performance gauges on here. And we also replicate some of the HVAC controls that would normally display on the aftermarket radio. So we're not disrupting the aftermarket radio experience. Just to see HVAC information we can display down here. So right below the 5.2-inch LCD screen are the 4 programmable proximity buttons. We've designed proximity sensing so when you get near the button, the options pop up on the screen. You can either push the button itself or you can push and then touch the option on the touch screen. That's going to give you direct access to cameras, vehicle settings, and other features. You'll notice that the center of the fan speed knob is empty. There are 2 inserts included for the vehicle, if it has auto climate control or not. Just plug that insert right into the kit. Got the main harness for the vehicle. This is a plug and play harness at the vehicle connector. Plugs directly into the Radio Pro Advanced interface. And then these are going to be your connectors for your factory 3.5 aux, the reverse camera, the bed camera if equipped. Here's our factory reverse camera retention harness. This is a single camera input. So if the truck is equipped with both the reverse camera and the bed camera, you're going to need our 5 camera input harness. Or if you want to retain the factory backup camera and add more cameras, you'll use that 5 camera input harness. That's sold separately. We've got an antenna adapter to retain AM/FM reception. The radio connection harness with steering wheel control inputs. We've even included a speaker for the chimes in the vehicle. If your truck comes with front or rear park assist, this is going to replicate those chimes for you. Here's the radio replacement interface. This is what's going to retain the steering wheel controls and the factory amplifier and all the other features of the vehicle. This communicates with the Radio Pro integrated kit. Of course, we've got your standard double DIN mounting hardware, the bracket, and the brackets for the radio. And if you happen to be installing a single DIN radio, we do include the pocket with this kit. That's everything in the box. To see how everything works in the truck, tune in to our demonstration videos and our installation videos. For now, thanks for tuning in to the unboxing of our new Radio Pro integrated kit for Ram trucks, the RPK4-CH4101.